I invite you to close your eyes if you've not already done so, and if it's comfortable, and those of you that are online, if it's possible. We've heard a lot of words. Maybe we've had some ideas floating around in our minds. But now we have these precious moments together to release it all, to quiet our minds, to leave all thoughts at the threshold of our own consciousness, to move from new thought to no thought. There is within every one of us a still silence that speaks to us beyond words. It's always there, but it requires our attention to hear it, to incorporate it into our being, to live from it. This is the undefinable, unexplainable nature of our being that is always orchestrating every dimension of our existence. Just say to yourself, I am open and receptive to the voice beyond words. I am willing to set my own thoughts, my feelings, and my beliefs aside, completely altogether, and allow myself to be a free expression of the flow of life. I receive it. I feel the warmth of its presence, and I know I can trust it. I know I can trust it to make every decision, to chart every destination, to live my life. I'm grateful to recognize that I'm not here to live my life alone, that there are literally a holy host of resources available to me, perhaps unseen in this moment, but powerful nonetheless, beyond measure. And in my release of how I believe things and people need to be, ought to be, should be, I let it be. I let it be. And all things begin to transform in my world through this simple gesture of immersing myself in stillness and in silence. I give my life to infinite intelligence and creativity to guide today. I trust the higher dimensions of my own being and my oneness with all creation. My steps are directed, my mind inspired, and my life a holy host of thanksgiving. This I declare in the name and in the nature of all that is sacred, all that is beautiful, and all that is holy. And so it is. Amen.